Good morning all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Manu Search Institute. In my previous video I have explained you how to use the formula in the exercise 8.3, all the formulas and the tricks I have explained you in first video. You can see in the by clicking the I button. Now I am going to start second question from the same exercise 8.3. The second question it is asked, show that. So that means we have to show LHS equals to RHS. So I have written the question here once again. This is the LHS part which I have mentioned. Okay, so now we will solve the question. Okay, so here by adding 48 and 42 we will get 90 degree. Are you getting? And by adding 23 and 67 we will get 90 degree. So I will change 48 degree. As already we have discussed, 48 can be written as 90 minus 42. 90 minus 42 is 48. Okay, and again I will change 23. 90 minus 67 is 23. Okay, 90 minus 67 is 23. These two degrees or angles will be written as it is. Okay, now we will use the formula. As already I have taught you the formula, 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan 90 minus 42 will be cot 42 because theta is 42 degree. Similarly here tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan 90 minus theta is cot 67 degree. And the rest two, tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree. Now in the question there is no sign, no operators, plus, minus, into, nothing is given. That means all are in multiplication. So here everything is in multiplication. One more formula I have given you. Cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. Okay, cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. So in place of this we will use this. Cot 42 will become 1 by tan 42 degree into this cot 67 will become 1 by tan 67 degree because cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. These two will be as it is. Tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree. By cancelling, our answer will be 1 equals to RHS. In the second bit, the question is given cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree. There is no sign, so multiplication, minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree equals to 0. We have to show that LHS equals to RHS. Okay. In the previous question, everywhere it was multiplication. But now in this question, in between two terms there is a minus sign. Okay, so this type of question wherever you will get minus or plus in the middle and two ratios will be written separately, in those type of question you change same degrees from both the side. Okay, if there is plus sign or minus sign in the question, then you change same degrees from both the side. If all are in multiplication, then it's your wish. By adding any two, if you are getting 90 degree, change any one. By adding any two, if you are getting 90 degree, you change any one. But in this type of question, you change same degrees from both the side. So cos 38 will become cos 90 minus 52. Okay, and cos 52 will be as it is, minus sin 38 will become 90 minus 52. And this will be sin 52 as it is. Now cos 90 minus theta, sin theta into cos 52 minus sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. That means cos 52 into sin 52. If I will arrange directly also we can write the answer, but I will arrange and I will explain. Sin 52 cos 52 minus, I will interchange as it is in multiplication, we can interchange it, cos 52 sin 52 cos 52. Now is it same? So by cancelling it we will get 0. That means LHS equals to RHS we got by solving. So whenever you will get plus or minus sign in the middle, you change the same degrees, either 38 from both side, either 52 from both the side. In the third bit, question is given tan 5 degree, tan 25 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 65 degree, tan 85 degree equals to 1. All are in multiplication sign. There is no other operator given in between. Okay, so I have written LHS by adding 5 and 85 we will get 90 degree. By adding 25 and 65 we will get 90 degree. But what about 45? So I just want to recall the exercise of 8.2 where I taught you trigonometric table. In that few degrees were there: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So we are having 45 degrees value. So in tan 45 we will get 1. Tan 45 is 1. But what about these other 4 ratios? Already I told you 5 plus 85 is 90. So I will change tan 5 degree. Tan 90 minus 85. In place of 5 degree I wrote tan 90 minus 85. Tan 25 will become 90 minus 65. This is already 1. Write it as it is. Tan 65 degree, tan 85 degree. Okay. Now tan 90 minus theta, cot theta already I have discussed in the formulas. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Okay. 1. No need to write the value of 1. 1 into anything is the same value. Okay. Tan 65 degree we will get. Tan 85 degree we will get. Again we will use the formula. Cot theta is 1 by or reciprocal of tan theta. Again cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta into tan 65, tan 85. So by cancelling we will get the answer 1. That means LHS equals to RHS. In the fourth bit the question is given sin 66 degree divided by 2 cos 24 degree plus 2 sec 43 degree by cosec 47 degree equals to 5 by 2. We have to prove LHS equals to RHS. I have written the question of LHS. Okay. Sin 66 by 2 cos 24 degree, 2 sec 43 degree divided by cosec 47 degree. By adding these two we will get 90. And by adding these two we will get 90. So we will change any one. So I am going to change sin 66 degree. Sin 66 degree we will write as sin 90 minus 24 degree divided by cos 24 degree plus 2 sec 43 degree will be written as sec 90 minus 47 degree divided by cosec 47 degree. Sin 90 minus theta, cos theta divided by 2 cos 24 degree plus 2 sec 90 minus theta, cosec theta, cosec 47 degree by cosec 47 degree. By cancelling these we will get here nothing is left. So 1 divided by 2, okay, plus 2 divided by 1. Cross multiply 1 plus 2 2 is 4 divided by 2 into 2. 1 plus 4 is 5 by 2. So LHS equals to RHS. Okay. Now question number 3. In question number 3 it is given if tan 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degree where 2a is an acute angle. What is an acute angle? Acute angle is always less than 90 degree. Find the value of a. So we will write the question whatever is given. Tan 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degree. Okay, this is our question. Now what you have to do, whenever you will get these kind of questions, sometimes you will get sin 3a equals to cos a minus 52 degree or something like that. In those type of question what you have to do, you have to make both the ratios similar. Either both the side tan, either both the side cot you have to write. Okay, I have already given the formulas, from there we can write it. Okay, I will write one formula which will be applicable in this question. We can write tan theta as cot 90 minus theta. Is it? This formula already I have given. Tan theta equals to cot 90 minus theta. What is theta here? 2a. Okay, so tan 2a can be written as cot 90 minus 2a. Okay, tan 2a will be written as cot 90 minus 2a because tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Okay, so in this question I will write in place of tan 2a cot 90 minus 2a in place of tan 2a equals to right side is will be as it is. Now as I told you, both the side we have to write the same degrees, same ratios. So we got the same ratio both the side, cot cot. So by cancelling we will remove. So what we will get? 90 minus 2a equals to a minus 18 degree. Now take 2a towards RHS and bring 18 towards LHS, because this is in negative sign. So we will get 90 plus 18 degree equals to, a is already there, we are taking 2a that side, it will become plus 2a equals to 3a, and this will become 108. Divide 3 here, a equals to 108 by 3, that is 36 degrees. So the value of a we got 36 degree. So whichever question where two different ratios are given, okay, and the degrees will be something like a, b, c, d, it won't give the proper value or number. So in those cases what you will do, you make both the ratios in similar ratio, you make it either sine both the side, either cos both the side, or something like that. An example I will give you. Suppose cosec a plus 10 degree equals to sec 3a is given. So what you have to do, you have to change both the side with the same ratio. Either you change both as cosec, or either you change both as sec. So always you change the smaller degree. Like here I have changed the smaller degree 2a. Okay, I have not changed a minus 18 degree. We can change, but I have changed the simple value I have taken. Don't take the complex value. Similarly, don't take the complex value. Take a simple value. This will be written as it is. This will be changed as sec theta is cosec 90 minus theta. Theta here is 3a. In this way we will solve this type of question. Now question number 4. Okay, in question number 4 it is given, if tan a equals to cot b, prove that a plus b equals to 90 degrees. So whatever is given, that one we will write. Okay, this is given. Now in the previous question already I taught you, whenever two different ratios are there, try to make it same ratio. Okay, so we can write tan theta equals to cot 90 minus theta. So tan a will be written as cot 90 minus a. Okay, because theta is a here. So this will be changed as cot 90 minus a directly, and here cot b. From both the side cot cancel. 90 minus a equals to b. Take a this side. 90 equals to a plus b over. This is what we have to prove. Understood? This side tan a was there, this side cot a was there. I tried to change both with the same ratio, cot, and cot got cancelled. So 90 minus a equals to b. I have taken a that side. So 90 equals to a plus b. Next question. Now question number 5. In question number 5 it is given, if sec 4a equals to cosec a minus 20 degree, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So this is what it is given in the question, sec 4a equals to cosec a minus 20 degree. So we will use the formula sec theta equals to cosec 90 minus theta. Sec 4a equals to cosec 90 minus 4a. Okay, so in place of sec 4a I will write cosec 90 minus 4a equals to cosec a minus 20 degree. Now both the side we got same ratio, cancel it. 90 minus 4a equals to a minus 20 degree. As this is bigger with negative sign, take it towards RHS, bring 20 this side. 90 plus 20 equals to a plus 4a. 90 plus 20 is 110, 4a equals to 5a. Divide 5 here, a equals to 110 by 5, that is 22. So a we got 22. By cancelling these two, a we got 22. Next question. Question number 6. In question number 6, the question is given, if a, b, c are the interior angles of a triangle ABC, show that this plus this equals to 1. That means LHS equals to RHS we have to show. Okay, first of all I will just write one thing. ABC are interior angles. So sum of three interior angles of a triangle is how much? 180 degree. So sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, we know. Whenever in any question you will get B plus C or A plus C or A plus B, wherever two alphabets will be given in addition sign, there you substitute something else. What you have to substitute I will tell. Here we have got B plus C. So if in this line I will keep B plus C towards LHS, so A will go towards RHS. That means it will become B plus C equals to 180 minus A. Are you getting? Suppose it will be written here A plus C, so you keep A plus C here, take B that side. If it will be written A plus B, then keep A plus B towards LHS and take C that side. Okay, are you getting? We will get few more questions there, I will explain. So I will write the question. LHS equals to cos square A by 2 plus cos square B plus C by 2. Cos square A by 2 will be as it is. B plus C, how much we got? B plus C we got 180 minus A by 2. In place of B plus C, I am substituting this value because both are equal. Okay. Now, cos square A by 2 plus cos square 180 by 2 minus A by 2. This will be, the numerator can be separated and both will get the same denominator. So, how much we will get? Cos square A by 2 plus cos square 90 minus A by 2. Okay, cos square A by 2 plus cos square 90 minus A by 2. We will use the formula cos square A by 2. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So cos square is there, so I will write sin square. Cos square 90 minus theta is sin square theta. Okay, now there is a formula which we will discuss in the next chapter, but we have to apply here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. How we are getting this value, I will explain in the next exercise or in my next video. Don't worry about that. We will substitute the value here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. That is RHS. Next bit. In the next bit it is given sec square B plus C by 2 minus 1 equals to cot square A by 2. So I will write LHS first. LHS is sec square B plus C by 2 minus 1. Already I told you A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree because sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. Here we got B plus C, so keep B plus C here, bring A this side. So we will get B plus C equals to 180 minus A. Okay, so I will substitute here now. Sec square B plus C by 2 minus 1. Sec square B plus C will become 180 minus A by 2 minus 1. Sec square 180 by 2 minus A by 2. We will separate the numerator. Okay, minus 1 equals to sec square. These two will be cancelled. Sec square 90 minus A by 2 minus 1. Sec square 90 minus theta, cosec square theta. Sec square 90 minus theta is cosec square theta minus 1. Now one more formula. Cot square theta is cosec square theta minus 1, which I will explain you in my next video. In the next exercise it is given. So cosec square theta, cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. Theta is A by 2. A by 2. So cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. Proved. RHS. Now third bit. In the third bit question is given cosec square B plus C by 2 minus tan square A by 2 equals to 1. So I wrote LHS here. Okay. A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. B plus C is there. So B plus C equals to 180 minus A. This we got. So in place of B plus C we will write cosec square 180 minus A divided by 2. In place of B plus C I wrote this minus tan square A by 2. Cosec square 180 by 2 minus A by 2. Separate the numerator. Minus tan square A by 2. This will become 90. Cosec square 90 minus A by 2 minus tan square A by 2. Again formula cosec square theta 90 minus theta is sec square theta. Okay, this we have discussed in this exercise. So cosec square theta will become sec square theta minus tan square theta. One more formula is there, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. In the next exercise we will discuss. So sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1 RHS. Now question number 7. In question number 7 it is given, if A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sin B plus C by 2 equals to cos A by 2. Okay, so A, B, C are interior angle of a triangle ABC. These are interior angles of a triangle ABC. So A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. Already we have B plus C, so I will leave B plus C towards left side and I will take A that side. So 180 minus A. Now we will write LHS sin B plus C by 2. Sin 180 minus A by 2. Now separate the numerator. Sin 180 by 2 minus A by 2. By cancelling we will get sin 90 minus A by 2. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Proved. RHS. Next question. Now question number 8. In question number 8 the question is given, express sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. This 67 and 75 we have to change anyhow and we have to represent these two degrees. It should lie between 0 degree and 45 degrees. So I will change both the degrees because by adding we will not get 90 degree. 67 plus 75 will be more than 130. That's why by adding nothing will be able to get. So what we will do, we will change both the degrees. 67 will be written as 90 minus 23 degree. Okay, 23 plus 67 is 90. Next, cos 75 will be written as 90 minus 15 degree because 15 plus 75 is 90. Okay, sin 90 minus theta, cos theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. What is the question it is given? Express this question in terms of trigonometric ratio whose degrees should lie between 0 degree and 45 degree. 23 lies between 0 degree and 45 degree. 15 lies between 0 degree and 45 degree. Now question number 9. In question number 9 it is given, express sin 81 degree plus cos 71 degree plus tan 61 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios angle between 0 degree and 45 degree. This question is also similar to question number 8. So here also we have to change these degrees, okay, whose values should lie between 0 degree and 45 degree. Now it is exceeding. Exceeding means the value is more than 45 degree. It is more. Okay, so we have to change the degree which will lie between 0 degree and 45 degree. So sin 81 can be written as 90 minus 9 degree. Cos 71 will be written as 90 minus 19 degree. Okay, plus tan 61 will be written as 90 minus 29 degree. Okay, now sin 90 minus theta, cos theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Okay, so now the degrees which we got, it is lying between 0 degree and 45 degree. Okay, so this is the answer which we got. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you might have understood everything whatever I taught. If you have any queries, you ask me in my comment box. Next video will be uploaded soon in which we will learn the formulas which I have used in this exercise. Thank you all of you.